Hello and welcome to Cook It Like Chef Shrimpy. We bring the sexy back. Today I'll be showing you how to make some very lovely cayenne shrimp. Okay, so I have this skillet right here. This is very hot. This is my 2-pounder shrimp, shell on. We're gonna pour them into this pot and we're gonna start the cooking process. Cooking up some shrimp. You're gonna love this dish. This dish is a type of like a finger food. You know, like you're having some games going on, some football, some baseball, some cricket, some basketball, some balls, whatever type of balls, any type of balls that is playing. This is a perfect dish for you to make, especially if you had some friends coming over. They will enjoy this. So you watch us cook this dish, and this is gonna be one of a favorite for your household or your home. Okay, so we're gonna saute these. And these won't take too long to cook, so we're not gonna keep you in the kitchen for too long. With this dish, you want to cook it halfway before you start adding your spices. Since it's not going to be cooking for too long, so this has been cooking now for 2 minutes. I'm going to start adding my spices to it. What are these spices? It's going to be salt, a 1/4 ounce of salt. It's gonna be 1/8 ounce of garlic powder, and then we're gonna use a 1/2 ounce of cayenne pepper. We're gonna stir this in. Stir that up with these shrimp. You want to keep them nice and al dente, so you don't want to cook them for too long. So these have been cooking now for about 3-4 minutes. It's a quick and simple dish, finger food. Since it's almost ready, I'm gonna add 1/8 ounce of grapeseed oil. And I'm gonna stir this for another minute or two. And these beauties will be ready to eat. Cooking up some lovely shrimp, weekend shrimp for football. These babies are done, so let's turn this fire off. Now we got our shrimp ready. We're gonna make a lovely dip for this shrimp. This dip is a Chef Shrimpy dip. It's a special. It's gonna go so well with this shrimp. Watch me make this dip. I'm gonna be using 1/2 ounce of onion. I'm gonna chop it real fine. Okay, I'm gonna add this to 5 ounces of mayonnaise. We're adding this bowl right here. I'm gonna add 2 ounces of ketchup to this, just like that. I'm gonna add 1 ounce of water. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. Pinch of black pepper, and I'm gonna whip this together. This is your dip. You don't want to make this too thick. You just want it to lightly coat it when you dip it, so you can have that cayenne taste in your mouth. That's gonna be the snack of the day. It is ready, and so we gonna plate it up now. like that. Spread them out just like that. These beauties are gonna be so good. This dish, you're gonna call it the repeaty once you try these. Okay, this is our dip, and we're gonna pour some right in the middle here. Just like that. Now we're gonna put some garnish on this to make this baby look beautiful. So we're gonna use some lemon and some parsley to do our garnish. Because food is not only supposed to taste good and nutritious, but it's also supposed to be presentable. So we're gonna cut some lemon wedges for this baby right here. Just like that. And we're gonna stick them on the side of this tray. Seafood, always serve with some lemon. A lot of people like to have their seafood with lemon. So this lemon, we gotta put it here. And these shrimp are gonna be so good, you might heat the lemon too. Then we're gonna finely chop some of this fresh parsley. Just gonna sprinkle some of it on top of these beauties, just like that. Just like that. And then I'm gonna put a sprig right in the middle of that dip and let it stand out. The shrimp is ready, ready to eat, baby. And this is our beautiful cayenne shrimp. Very, very nice and lovely. Gorgeous. Beautiful for the weekend. Chilling at home. Chef has to try it first. Watch this. This is so good. These have the shells on. You gotta do. Pick it up. Pick the shells off. Give you a little work to do. Dip it in this beautiful sauce. Oh yeah!